Terms and conditions. Legal notice. The publisher has strived to be as accurate and complete as possible in the creation of this report, notwithstanding the fact that that he does not warrant a represent at any time that is a content within or accurate due to the rapidly changing nature of the internet. While all attempts have been made to verify information provided in this publication, the publisher assumed to nor no responsibility for errors, omissions, or country interpretation of the subject matter herein. Any perceived slight of specification, person, people, or organization, or unintentionally. In practical advice books, like anything else in life, there are no guarantee of income made. Reader are cautioned to rely on their own judgment about their individual circumstance to act accordingly. This book is not intended for use as a source of legal, business, accounting, or finance advice. All readers are advised to seek service of competent professional in legal, business, accounting, and finance field. You are encouraged to print this book for easy reading. Table of content. Forward. Chapter 1. Virtual assistant basis. Chapter 2. With what skill are needed. Chapter 3. Arranging a work area. Chapter 4. Decided what service you will offer. Chapter 5. Know your budget. Chapter 6. Have a business plan. Chapter 7. Using site like Scriptline to find client. Chapter 8. Using marketing for clients. Chapter 9. Handling client correctly. Warping off. Forward. Most business today, whether big or small, are accepting the idea having virtual assistant. This listen to workload on the company and cheaper than having to create a wild department or to take on the same task. Virtual assistant is fact becoming a popular option for many. Get all the info you need here. Virtual assistants. How to run a successful virtual assistant business. Chapter 1. Virtual Assistant Basis. Synopsis. The following are some reasons a business owner may want to consider the advantage virtual assistant brings. The basis. Basically, virtual assistants will be able to carry the workload given simple because of the forced nature of the particular assignment given. In most cases, such virtual assistant capability are much more refined and thus able to handling the delegate task with ease. Hiring the service of virtual assistant would effectively means hiring someone who is expert in his or her one field. The need to touch and the individual would not be a factor in the question nor whether there be need a consistently minority situation ensure the desired result are forthcoming. With the use of virtual assistant, the assignment can be done within the timelines, as the reputation of the virtual assistant dependent bodily on the ability to produce the work effectively and accurately within the time frame agreed upon. Virtual assistant platform can also be trusted to keep the confidentiality of the task at hand because here again to reputation built by the service render would to be deciding point most choice made to hear the particular individual service. Effective communication and clear responsibility outline for the virtual assistant is enough to get the job done compared to having the same task tackled within the company where there are many other distractions and demanded to connected with. In terms of the cost factor, it is sometimes cheaper to hire the service of virtual assistant, and this is one on the reason that contribute to its popularity. Chapter 2: What skill are needed? Synopsis: although not everyone can be virtual assistant, for those interested in doing this is revenue earning possibility, there are some pointed or should be aware of. Having some computer and communication skill that will help to create a complete package for the virtual assistant is important. What is needed? The following are some basic skills that most virtual assistants are expected to have. Word processing skill, because a lot of the work involves or word processing such as data entry, typing and other online documentations, the word processing knowledge will come in handy. The level of accuracy is also something that should not be compares compromised in the end way. Computer skill, the very nature of the job requires the extensive use of the computer. Thus, the need to be computer conversion, being able to handle the more popular software and application is also a prerequisite when it comes to available skill. Strong communication skill. This is also another necessity when it comes to the capability listed of the virtual assistant, being able to communicate effective and accurately both very well as in the writing is very important, as a lot of the communication need to be explained and understood on a level. Strong writing skill. The bulk of the work is done through email and faxes. Therefore, there is a need to be well versed in writing skill in order to execute and requirement of the job well. Proof reading material is also something that is expected as part of the job requirement. Strong management skill. This will come in handy when there is a need to coordinate several different elements at any the given time. This area may including advertising aspect, the marketing side, and perhaps even the public relation platform of the business. The general idea is to help the client grow the business entity. Chapter 3: Arranging a work area. Synopsis: thinking a virtual assistant business seriously would including heavy designed area to work in, and that should ideally be without distraction and disturbance. Trying to simulate office environment would be idea but not totally necessary if the work area is to be within the actual living premise. Then there is a need to cordon off the area with the explicit instructions regarding unwelcomed intrusion. Your space. It should be made very clear that instruction on the work area will not be told, as this could affect any live communication that happen to be conducted. The important element to ensure is that when the act of business is being conducted, it should be done in a professional manner, which giving the client the confidence is interesting the job in virtual assistant. The worker would also have to include the very basic equipment to ensure the individual is able to get the job done effectively, quick and accurately. This would ideally including a computer with internet access that is strong, a telephone line, and a workstation that is fairly decent in size and un- uncrowded. The work area should also be designed to be conducive to work in, is the quality of the work produced can be affected by the surrounding and the inability to focus on the due to distraction. If there is any video connection between client and virtual assistant, the working area of the virtual assistant would speak volume as to quality of the work the client can expect. Therefore, keeping the area professional looking will give the client and the confidence need to entrust the job to the individual. If the option is available to rent a small office space for the region of conducting the virtual assistant business, then the location choose should be as centralized as possible. This would help the individual get things done more easily as everything is within accessible distance. Chapter 4. Decided what service you will offer. Synopsis. There is really no limit as to the type of service that can be offered by the virtual assistant. However, the service offered should be in line with the expertise of the individual, otherwise, the end result of the work produced will not be up to the client's expectations. This will not survey will for the virtual assistant as the job accurate usually come based on recommendations and track record. Your plan. The main idea behind deciding what service to offer would be deciding first if the said service or part of the capability of the individual. Virtual assistant would do well to only offer services along their own individual expertise on knowledge. Should be individual decide to diversify, then the effort must be made to ensure that relevant knowledge and style is properly learned in order to do the job well. Among the more popular services that can be offered as a virtual assistant or word processing, bookkeeping, communication with customer and client alike, management of client and camping is also another area that can be managed by a virtual assistant. All these are choose that the individual would need to decide on the terms of what is going to be offered to the client as part of the service render. Once the decision is made to as to try of service that is going to be offered by the virtual assistant, then the necessary skill and tools should also be available for the smooth running of the contract given. In most cases, there will be a need to market the virtual assistant skill to create the platform for interested parties and client to consider. This marketing exercise can be done online as the exposure for the virtual assistant can be unlimited and boundless. Chapter 5. Know your budget. Synopsis. Comparatively, the virtual assistant business required as much a smaller budget than other style of business. However, that does not mean that there should not be some serious thought given to the budgeting exercise. Taking the time to think through all the necessary elements that will contribute to the success of the business will help the individual design suitable and workable budget. The morning. The following area some tips what how to plan the budget of success the virtual assistant business. The budgeting exercise should ideally take into accounted all operational cost needed to sustain the business for at least 12 months. This time frame will give the individual chance to get the business up running and bringing some revenues without having a worry about the immediate cost of the business entity, since the virtual business style is mainly conducted through online platform. The individual should be well versed with the various computer program available for use. Thus, thus choosing some of those tools assisted in the setup the operation of the business may help to keep the budgeting cost lower. With a set budget in place, the individual will have the better picture of the free dom the considering his bill work around. This will help, especially when it comes to acquiring the equipment suitable for sustaining the business engine. It will also help the decision for future expansion and maybe even the hiring of staff when and if needed. Understanding the importance of having budget will also help the individual considering the virtual assistant type of business get a better picture of the profit margin that can be enjoyed or whether the business in a viable enjoy want to venture into. Armed with this information, better calculate decision can be made. Chapter 6. Have a business plan. Synopsis. Having a business plan clearly drawn up only help to individual to have any overview of the whole business endeavors, also give the individual sense of direction to be followed in order to see business to its success anticipated state. Put the plan together. The following are some tips how to start business plan for the virtual assistant business. The business overview is an important motivational space of information that will help to keep the focus of the individual on the business at hand. This overview will also help the individual and others connected to the business have goals clear in place to work toward. Having all the necessary product and service intended to be offered should also be included in the business plan. Clearly defining their elements will also help direct the individual when talking an assignment for it is suitable and convenes. It will also provide information for the future reference should there be a need for expansion for redesign of the business direction. The business plan should include elements such as the marketing strategy to be adopted for the realization of the business success projected. In order to be signed a suitable marketing strategy, relevant issues such as the discussion on product and service pricing should be decided upon, thus giving a clear picture of what will be extended to the future client base. Advertising campaign and how extensive should also be decided noted in the business plan. The initial stage may require a little more commi- commitment to be advertising side of business as there is a need to create visibility for the business. The particular additional to the business plan is mostly instrumental in keeping the business owner for getting carried away with the with enthusiasm of creating visibility for the business. Chapter 7. Using site like Scriptline to find client. Synopsis. When deciding to venture into the business field for oneself, there is a lot of factor to consider to ensure mistake and misconception are kept into minimal. Therefore, in doing so, it may be wise thing to practice sourcing for information, comments, success story, assigning tools, and other beneficial elements that may help make the business planning easier and the customer search more fruitful. Finding business. There are a lot of sites on the internet that can help the individual promote his or her business endeavors, and more some those sites provided more beneficial assistance than others. However, the important things for the business owner to do is to identify exactly what is the purpose of assessing such light to being with. Then this purpose is clearly identified, then the relevant searches and matches can be done. There are sites that will help to connect potential customer to the merchandise and like which there are sites that provided information and discussing on the topic relevant to the business owner search. Some of the sites on the internet will provide their service for the small one-time fee, while the other require the individual to sign on as the member, and yet other ways provide help in exchange style setting. Here too there is a need for the individual to carefully consider the metric of the each site of the its suitability and comparability to the need of the intended businesses endeavor. Without the careful consideration, there can be very really problem for sign on the something that does not really benefit and even worse cause a lot of headache for the new business owner. The main idea of creating a link to such choose made to ensure the higher possibility of visibility for the business endeavor, and through this visibility it is hoped that the business entity will be able to garner the type of amount of assignment that will eventually contribute to a successful business entity. Chapter 8, Using Marketing for Client. Synopsis. The following are some reasons as to why the marketing for client is important to ensure they keep coming back. Marketing. Although it may seem strong for the visual assistant to be garnering customers for the client, if agreed from business angle, it would ideally means more income for the virtual assistant when the client require his or her service for the new account. This of course would be ideal situation both of the virtual assistant and the original client and prove to be rather than strong reason for the future. Due to the nature of the virtual assistant exposure to the client and customer base helping to market the client, company will be much easier to be as the individual will already be the very familiar with all the capability of the company and can vouch of its credibility. This is also possible for future promote as the virtual assistant will actually be promoting the company by assuring the customer that some of work will actually be done by the assistant himself or herself. If the customer is familiar with the virtual assistant work, each and performance leaves the particular promotional platform may bring about a positive commitment of the part of the customer. By helping to promote the client business, the virtual assistant is also creating a loyalty bond with the client, hereby the client could be hard passed not to give contact to the said virtual assistant due to the help extended. Chapter 9, Handling Client Correctly. Synopsis. Part of creating a successful business line, a line ability to handle client well, understanding their various needs and quicker will help the virtual assistant tailor approaching style on handling the client effective and beneficial. Not all clients are like, and knowing how to adjust accommodate the virus type of will eventually bring about phenomenal success and less stress. Doing it right. The following are some of the tips of how to recognize, categorize client and the suitable corresponding way of handling them. When a client seems disoriented or jargon dominates speech, it is time to change the content of the variable approach of presentation. Failing to ensure they may cause the client to eventually decide to go with a comparator who is a more attended to that lack technique knowledge of the client. Not all clients are willing to declare their empathiness toward technical aspect of the business entity, thus by not being sensitive to this virtual assistant risks losing the client altogether. Some client may display dictionary what is the virtual assistant is typing to sell, mainly due to the budget constraints of the client. There are two ways the virtual assistant can handle such situation, and There is may include looking elsewhere for client or trying to redesign a different package to accommodate the client budget. The former choice would be feasible if the said client budget is too small for consideration against the workload put in by the virtual assistant. There are also make some clients who seem to want to extend the hand on approach. While this can be very distracting and destructive to certain extent, diplomacy extended by the virtual assistant in handling such a client would be the deciding factor on the client returning the service of the assistant. The practice of diplomacy would require some patience and perceived quality of warping up. Having a healthy client base is the point of the entry. Business extends be caused without healthy client base. There really is no business to speak of. A healthy client base is also what is going to generate the income project to keep the business entity successful and visible, thus facilitating future expansion possibility.